Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be installing I believe this is Mothka, however you want to pronounce that. This is a matte glass screen protector for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. It says matte series, clear series, curve edge series. I don't know, it's mixed signals there, but we'll go ahead and open it up. We've got like an iPhone 8 on the front there, so that's always great. I don't know why they have to use this long sticker on here. I think this was like $15 or $16 for the 2-pack. I'll link it down in the description. Okay, they have like tape over the, hold on one second. They have like tape over the bottom half of the sticker, so it's not coming off. What in the world? Okay, so we're finally in here. It does have the little applicator frame here. It also comes with the little like lens protectors. Probably not going to put them on. I never really do. They're just usually like little plastic ones, and they kind of make your photos look foggy. So I'm not gonna bother with those. I don't think. Maybe I'll try them out. And if they don't work, I'll just take them off. But it comes with 2 of those. It comes with 2 screen protectors. Looks like it comes with installation stuff and all that. So I'm just gonna take out what we need here and put back what we don't. So we're gonna go ahead and get this ready to go. We've got the little squeegee. Gonna just take out one of everything. The thing wipes in here somewhere. Alright, I don't need the microfiber cloth. I have one right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. I'm really curious to see how this looks. I'm just going to go ahead and turn off my phone so the screen doesn't keep lighting up while I clean it off. Just so it's easier to clean. And I'm going to go ahead and remove my case. This is the Binks case that I did a video on the channel not too long ago. Well, I mean, it's been a few months at this point, but I really like this case. So we're going to take that off. I'll go ahead and remove a screen protector. I don't know what screen protector I have on here right now. It's been on here for a hot minute. It's probably one of the Smart Devil ones that they sent out. I don't think I ever took those back off. Okay, go ahead and open up one of our wipes. And after after you have a screen protector on here for a while, you're gonna really want to make sure you clean around the edges, because what I find is gunk will build up around the edge of the old screen protector, and if the new one is, just ever so slightly wider, what ends up happening is you get that gunk right under the new one on the edge, and it just doesn't want to stick down on the edge, and then you'll have it peel up and all that kind of stuff. So just make sure you go around the edge and clean it thoroughly. Being a matte screen protector, you probably won't have to worry about little smudges and fingerprints too much, because the matte bits are gonna kind of probably hide that a little bit, but you're still gonna want it to be clean. Make sure I don't see anything. And this phone has always had a screen protector on it, so there's no scratches on the screen or anything like that. Go ahead and take out our screen protector. That's what it looks like right there. You can kind of see the mat and then the opening for the camera. I'm going to go ahead and take this out. It does have a little thing on the top that says top. It's also pretty well indicated by the fact that the volume and power buttons are cut out. And then this is the back. I'm going to peel that off. One last dust check. And we're just going to stick this in the little frame here. Let's give it a little swipe right there. We'll take this back off. Should be pretty well lined up. Looks like we are. Just take that and work that to the edge. If we got anything small in here, they'll usually work themselves out on within like a day or so. Usually, if you put it on overnight, or right before you go to bed, you wake up and they'll be gone. If you have some that don't go away, it's probably that you got some dust under there. So you might want to use that second one and try it again. But it looks like we're pretty good. It looks like it went all lined up and everything. We're just gonna push around the edges here, get all that stuck down. And I'll work those out later, they'll go away, but we'll go ahead and turn it on. It feels nice and matte. Should help with some glare here too. As you can see, the glare is not as harsh today with the light. It kind of diffuses it. You got your clear cutout up here for your Face ID and your camera and everything like that, so it doesn't interfere with that. Your Face ID is still going to work just fine. Your camera is going to work just fine. There we go. I think that looks really cool. I've had some of the plastic matte ones, and they usually give you some kind of rainbowy effect. Not getting that on this one whatsoever. So I think the matte glass, on this one is a lot better. Here's the camera right here. You can see works just fine. So no issues there. Everything's responsive. Now that I unlocked the passcode, we can see that Face ID works just fine. Dynamic Island has got that little cutout and it fits perfectly, so there's no like expanded Dynamic Island on the outside. It doesn't look weird or anything like that. But yep, there we go. Looking very nice. I'm actually excited to try this out, and I might try these on some other devices as well. So I'll leave a link down in the description below if you guys want to check one of these out and pick one up yourself. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and have a great day.